Got my new belt. It has to go in there on that thing. Oh yeah. Let's lay my cool little towel out. Oh yeah. Yeah. Under we go. Oh my god. Raise the car first. Jesus. Okay. Jack car up. With a little snip. You know, for 2008, I don't think the wear is too terrible. Jesus. Alright, new belt on. Just gotta thread it through here. Oh yeah. And then is there a way I can pull it to keep it on? Oh. Up the zip ties. I come equipped with man's best invention. Okay. Slipping, cool. Love that. Yes. Yes. Goody. She's on.
On?
On. Oh, fuck. Belt officially on. B-O-O. Boo. Please don't squeak. Oh yeah. Listen to that. Good work.